Hello teachers, welcome. In this video, we will look at how to find a Questt card and assign homework by tapping on the banner on your home page. To begin with, tap on Start Now. This will take you to the lesson plan where you have to select the grade, subject and chapter that you want to assign homework in. You can do so by tapping on the drop-down menus. To select your grade, tap on the drop-down menu and select from the given options. After that, you can select the subject and the respective chapter that you want to assign homework in. After selecting your grade, subject and chapter, tap on Get Lesson Plan. This will show you the list of topics with an Assign button next to them. After selecting the topic that you want to assign homework in, tap on Assign. This will take you to the Questt card where you can review the questions in the given Questt card. After reviewing the questions, tap on the Assign button below and choose the timeline that you want to set your homework for. After setting your timeline, click on Confirm and select the groups that you want to assign this homework to. Select your groups and click on Send Questt. Now, your homework is successfully assigned in these selected groups. Thank you.